With the summary out of the way, let me explain to you what Vuforia Chalk is. So Vuforia Chalk is a live, over-the-shoulder collaboration tool on mobile, tablet and desktop devices. You're able to draw on the screen to create annotations and anchor those drawings as they were in the real world. On the left, you're able to see an example. Our user Mark has called in to ask support for this machine. As you can see, the machine is not running at the moment, and Mark doesn't know how to turn it on. He notices a small error on the side of the display and is asking what to do. Support is telling him to move to the right of the machine, where a button is located, by drawing an arrow. When Mark moves over, support draws a second arrow, indicating that the red button has to be rotated to the right. Mark does as instructed, and the machine starts working. After he is finished, he gets a report of images of the annotations that got drawn, which you can export. As you could see from the small video, you can annotate the real world together with live video and audio, which is shared by two users. After that, you're able to see a session summary for documentation purposes. Apart from the main features such as utilizing augmented reality for remote assistance through sticky annotations, Chalk also has 5 main features that can be helpful for you. As seen previously after a call, Chalk provides the user with a gallery of key images, let's say point of interests, so to say, of the annotations which can be exported and used for documentation purposes. Via Chalk hosts, you can initiate code-based sessions without having the end viewer to register or log in. This way an expert can share a connection code with a person in need without that person needing to register anything. Chalk goes into a low bandwidth mode when internet conditions are down around 500 kilobytes per second. This means that Chalk shows an image stream instead and slows down the frame rate. Through this, the integrity of the entire image frame is ensured and the video stream is not that choppy. There might be devices that are not officially supported. Some devices do work even though they are not supported, but especially for older devices, augmented reality does not work very well. In those cases, there is an audio and video fallback mode which automatically is enabled for all unsupported devices. When this mode is enabled, the device cannot use the augmented reality part, but it can still call and share or see the other person's view. And as last, not only can we utilize Apple and Android devices for Chalk, but we can also use Chalk for desktop. It connects users who do not have access to a mobile device to help frontline workers without downloading any additional software. So, how can we benefit from a real-time remote assistance tool? Think about accelerating problem resolutions. Instead of calling on the phone and sharing pictures and videos, you can share a live video together and enhancing it with annotations that stick to the real world. This might empower your workforce as well to solve unexpected issues. Especially during the crisis right now, it can be very helpful to give the possibility to people at home office to still help in the factory. It can of course also reduce costs of technicians and expert visits on site and might improve uptime and operational efficiency. But also think about how you can keep your workers at a safe distance while still being productive. So how do we get started? Go ahead and try to download the app on the app stores of both Apple and Android. You can scan the QR code with your phone or go to chalk.vuforia.com to go to the download center of Chalk to see which devices are supported. Make sure you have an Apple device with iOS 11 or later, such as the iPhone 8, iPad Pro or iPad mini. For Android devices, look at the Google Pixel 2, Samsung Galaxy A8 or 10. This concludes the first video in this introduction series. Click on the left image for the video playlist and on the right for the next video. If you have any feedback regarding Vuforia Chalk, please put it down in the comments. Any feedback regarding this video format is also highly appreciated. Thank you for watching.